grandchildren. Indeed, a very fruitful, wonderful 50 years together. Again, can we give the Lord a clap offering? Congratulations, Papa and Mama. Just like what our MC said, Brother Alan, very seldom couples like you reach this anniversaries. Sadly, iba po, maraming maagang nauwi sa Panginoon. And kami po, ako po ay, wala rin po kami. But while I was still in high school, my parents died magkasunod na taon. Kaya mga Vernos children, thank God so much. You have your parents with you to guide you all throughout. Hindi lang sa pagbibinata at pagdadalaga at pag-aaral, hanggang pagtatrabaho, hanggang pag-aasawa. Na andyan po si tatay at si nanay na umalalay, lumabay, tumulong at nagmahal sa inyong lahat. Kaya po tayo umawit ng give thanks with a grateful heart because we give God all the glory and thanksgiving for what He has done for such a fruitful 50 years of blissful marriage.